check out this really nice heavy-duty garlic press. The brand sent this over for me to try, and I'm a really big fan of this thing. So there's a couple things I really, really like about this. It's a really, really nice high-capacity garlic press. It's got a little cleaning implement here where you can press this up against the end and it will pop the remnants up so you can scrape them out easily. And then on the topic of scraping, it also has built into the handle this little plastic scraper that you can pop out, and you can use that to get the garlic off the end. And once you press in on the other side, you can use it to scrape the remnants out as well, which is really nice and really handy. I also love that this thing is dishwasher safe. And I love that I get fresh garlic because the fresh garlic tastes better than anything you can get in a jar. And so that's just fantastic. So I've got a couple cloves here. I'll go ahead and press those for you. First, I'm gonna pop the scraper out. Then I'm just gonna drop a couple cloves in here. Flip that around. And then if you look, you just give it a nice squeeze. Look at that. All that garlic comes out. You use the scraper, scrape that off. There you go. And then you can flip it around and it'll push up against the garlic. See how it lifted that out of there? And then you can just grab that with the scraper and scrape all the remnants out, which is just fantastic. Makes it super easy to clean. So if you're looking for a nice heavy-duty garlic press, I think this one is fantastic. Thank you so much to the brand for sending this to me to try. I'm a big fan, and I would highly recommend it.